Windows 11 Moment 5 makes fixing a problem easier. A feature that isn't yet available to everyone but is coming soon is called Fix Problems using Windows Update. Let me show you how to access that feature. Let's start by opening up Settings, and you can do that by going to the Start menu, then select Settings, or you can simply use the shortcut key combination of the Windows key and I for information. When you hit that, it also opens up your settings. Next, we need to go to System. And once we've gotten to System, the next is to select Recovery. That's on the right-hand side. Scroll down, and once you get to Recovery, select it to open it. And you have some new added items in this menu. One of them is Fix Problem with resetting your PC. Resetting can take a while. First, try resolving issues by running a troubleshooter. The next item that you have is Fix Problem using Windows Update. Reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. The next item is Reset your PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. You'll notice that the Go Back feature on my system is currently disabled. That's because I'm using an Insider preview build, so I can't just go back. There is, however, an option if you really needed to go back to the prior version of Windows, and I'll leave a link to a YouTube video from someone who explains how easy that is, even though it might be blanked out on your system. And of course, you also have the advanced startup. Restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from a disk or a USB drive. But the main one here to be cognizant of that will, if you don't yet have it, be added to this menu is called Fix Problems using Windows Update. Because if Windows or Microsoft is aware of a problem in a new release, it will roll it back to a version just before that release and fix your problem. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching and listening.